How to earn in paid work. Open the app and then yan yung mga play games, fill out surveys. You can click play games and click game you want to play, and you can click the one you download. I download Epic Blast, so I will play. Open and play. I'm on my level 22. Boom. Boom. And you can see I have earned $0.20. And you can click other tasks like microtasks, online shopping, fill out surveys, watching videos, and that's it. You can earn